Hi friends, today we'll discuss how to interface PIR sensor with Arduino board. So here we can see the PIR sensor. One pin is a VCC pin and one is the out pin which is connected to input pin of the Arduino. So one of the digital pin of the Arduino board are connected to out pin of sensor, and the third pin is ground pin that is connected to ground pin of Arduino board. Okay. So let us move on interfacing the sensor with Arduino. So here I have connected the red pin to VCC and the blue wire is connected to ground and the white color wire is connected to out pin of sensor. And here the white color pin I have connected to 8th pin of Arduino board, and blue and the other pins are connected to VCC and ground pin of Arduino board. Now let us go for our code written in the Arduino. Here the code is written to count the number of motions here. So number of times the motion is identified in front of the sensor. So here previously the state of the sensor is 0. So whenever a motion is detected in front of the sensor, so when there is a movement, then the sensor output will be 1. So based on that, we are counting the number of times the motion is detected. So here uh, we have connected the out pin of sensor to 8th pin. So I have declared the 8th pin as input. So the output signal of sensor is given as input to the 8th pin of Arduino board. And here we have to set the baud rate for the serial monitor is 9600. So here we are reading the sensor output value through 8th pin using digital read function, and that is written into variable val. So here we are displaying the value here. So I made it comment so that it is not displayed continuously, because on the serial display on the serial monitor you will see a continuous display. In order to avoid that, I have removed that. For the first time you are testing the sensor, you make it on height. Then if the previous state is the value that is the 0, so we have initialized value initially 0. Sorry, previous state is equal to 0. If the value is 0, that means no object movement is detected. So uh, there is no increment in the count. Else, if the value is not equal to 0, there is an increment in the count of a movement, and that is displayed here. Okay. In the other case, there is no change in the count. Okay. And for every 50 uh, milliseconds, you are finding the movement here. So a delay is given in between the movements. Okay. Now let us compile the code first, and after that upload the code. Okay. Let me check the connection with the port. Yeah. Now it is connected with that. So uploading and done uploading. And so whenever you start working with the PIR sensor, so the PIR sensor is need some initial delay in order to uh, trigger the output. So PIR sensor needs some, it is like warm up for the sensor. So we need some warm up time to enable the sensor. So for that, you need to wait at least for 1 minute. So just for warm up, wait for 1 minute, and then start doing the experiment by moving objects in front of the sensor. Just wait for 1 minute for one. Now let us see the output here. when there is a movement, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So in this way, the count will increase. Either side, you can move the sensor like this and see that count is increased. 5 and 6, isn't it? In this way, we can find the number of times an object is moved in front of the sensor using PIR sensor. Thank you.